Oh, that's ugly. Maybe Sonoma Lake.
Is it faces time? Oh no, it's wiggle wiggle time, huh? Wiggle wiggle time? Is it wiggle wiggle time, huh? Wiggle wiggle time? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's these faces, huh? Huh? What's wrong, baby? You're alright. So concerned. So concerned. Huh. Oh, there's the old man face. Okay. Say bye-bye. There's Logan. There's Logan. Say hi, Logan. Is it time for faces? Is it time for faces? You say, hello there. Let's see, can we do it with this hand? Hello there. Yeah. Logan. What you looking at, huh? What you looking at? Huh? You looking at the dolly picture? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What's he gonna do next? Huh? What's he gonna do next? You say bye-bye. Somebody, some. Look at Krusty. Oh, do you guys know? Oh, yeah, that's your Logan. Are you giving him a hug? Oh, who's that, Logan? That's your girlfriend. Ah, say hi, Ellie. Hi. Hi. Oh, who is that, Logie? Huh? Hey, guys. Oh, yeah, is that your baby? Baby's first avocado. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What's this? You want to try it? Let's try some avocado. He's like not so sure about that. It's yummy, huh? Here, let Mommy give it to you. Ooh. Not sure what to do with that, huh? He just won't stop practicing his new skill. He loves rolling over now. Come on, Logan, show us. There he goes. Whee! Good job. Good job. See, look at me. I rolled over all by myself. I did it. Roll over towards Mommy. Roll over. You roll over towards Mommy? Come on. You can do it. You're almost there. Here. Come on. Roll over. Right here towards your monkey. Can you roll towards your monkey? Yeah, towards your monkey. There you go. You're doing good. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're so close, Logan. You're so close. Come on. Here, you want Mommy to help you? Ready? 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 Oh, there you go. Here, let Mommy help you with your arm. Good job! He just rolled over right off his own almost. Good job, Logie.